The Ganges Brahmaputra Meghna is the most dynamic delta in the world. Every year, 52 square kilometer newly accreted char lands emerges, and at the same time 32 square kilometer loses due to river bank erosion. As a result, Bangladesh gets a net of 20 square kilometer new char land every year, which are very vulnerable socially, institutionally, and environmentally. To reduce such vulnerabilities, a land-based rural development project titled as Chor Development and Settlement Project CDSP-1 was initiated in 1994 jointly by the Government of Bangladesh and the Government of the Kingdom of the Netherlands with the long-term development objective of to bring about an improvement in the economic situation and in the living conditions of the coastal shores. Since then, the next two phases, CDSP-2 and CDSP-3, were implemented solely with the grant supports from the Government of the Kingdom of the Netherlands and the Government of Bangladesh. In the fourth phase of CDSP, the International Fund for Agriculture Development IFAD came forward with the credit supports for the government of Bangladesh. CDSP has been very successful due to engagement of multi-agency integrated setup that includes 6 government agencies and several partner NGOs. The Forest Department was one of the 6 GOB agencies and was responsible for implementation of social forestry subcomponent under protection from climate component. The main goal of social forestry subcomponent was to ensure the social and economic benefits to landless, poor, widowed, and oppressed rural chor dwellers. The purposes of social forestry were to create employment opportunities for the chor dwellers and help them for being self-dependent and meet their needs for food, fodder, fuel, and furniture. The Bangladesh Forest Department was the pioneer in the world for coastal afforestation through mangrove afforestation in newly accreted char land along the coastal belt in 1966, aiming to provide better protection from tidal surges and cyclones for coastal communities. Based on experiences of coastal afforestation, CDSP has been very successful in implementation social forestry subcomponent, raising nurseries of both mangrove and non-mangrove seedlings, several types of plantations, and engaging social forestry groups as a part of field-level institution development. During 2005 to 18 phase CDSP 3 and 4 period, the Forest Department raised mangrove plantations on newly accreted remote chors to stabilize soils, foreshore plantations along river banks to protect erosion, block plantation on vested vacant land to stop encroachment. Besides, plantations also raised on the sides of embankment and banks of canals built by Bangladesh Water Development Board, on the sides of roads built by LGED, on the campuses of different institutions like Union Parishad, educational institutions, and killas, therefore animal shelter. A total of 748 social forestry groups actively participated in the plantation works after signing a legal registered tripartite agreement having 21 code of conducts by which social forestry groups have right of 55% of share of final harvest from matured plantations. The others rights are Forest Department 10%, landowner 20%, replanting fund 10%, and local union parishad 5%. Besides, Section 3 by 21, social forestry group members are growing papaya, okra, pigeon peas, etc., and also getting the forest twigs and branches obtained from pruning, thinning, and other maintenance of plantations. It is very encouraging for all CDFC staffs, concerned implementing agencies, donors, and project beneficiaries that Forest Department has been awarded Prime Minister's Best Plantation prizes twice. First time in the year 2017 and second time in the year 2018. Social forestry played an important role in nursery development, planting trees in marginalized and fallow lands, protecting forest resources, biodiversity conservation, women empowerment, and above all, employment and poverty reduction in coastal chores.